What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Jetta. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit this notification bell right here, so that way click on all, so that way you'll be notified of all new videos. Also, if you're an existing subscriber, if you find my content useful, please hit that like button, please. It helps the algorithm out. Also, you can follow me on Twitter. It's twitter.com/cryptojetta. I post on here from time to time. I made this wonderful post here not too long ago. My son, he graduated from kindergarten, and then I said I'm doing all this crypto shit for him. So I want to make sure he's straight by the time he graduates high school. And I think that a few of these coins here is going to help me get there. So also, you can go to my official website, cryptojetta.com. This website's still a work in progress. But when you go here, you can, if you're new to crypto, you can click here to learn how you can start making money with crypto. And eventually I will be updating this page here on how to make money by crypto mining. I also have my DeFi strategies here, which I will be updating as soon as possible as well too. But today I'm going to go and talk about Bitcoin and the Bluechip analysis. Now, last week I made this chart. I guess you should say I drew up this chart, and I said that Bitcoin and altcoins were going to do either three things. It was going to, well, Bitcoin in this case, it was going to do either three things. It was going to go back up in price, or consolidate, or continue the downtrend. However, this past week, as you can see here, within the last few days here, from the 23rd on, the price was still consolidating. And I'm going to keep these three arrows here, because we still don't know what price is going to do. Price is still just, going up and down, up and down, up and down in this consolidated fashion. Now, if we look at the weekly, same thing here. As you can see, price has been in this downtrend for several weeks. We could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 8, 9 weeks of just downtrend movement. But as you can see, every week it's going down, 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 down. Now, will this continue here next week? We don't know, as I said. Now, that's not to say that you can't trade this consolidation here, because if you wanted to trade this, what you can do is you can go to a lower time frame, such as maybe the I would say about the 15-minute. You can trade this. It's not impossible. And so you can scalp these markets, or you can potentially day trade it. Me personally, I'm not a trader when it comes to crypto. I'm more of a forex trader. But maybe in the future, maybe I can show you some strategies on how to trade Bitcoin. I use the Ichimoku indicator. Actually, I don't have it on the right settings for the Ichimoku. Being that crypto runs 24/7, I will have to adjust this conversion line, baseline, leader span, and all that. But I just wanted to just do a analysis on these cryptos here. Now let's go to Ethereum on the daily. Now, like I said, I drew this chart last week, and as you can see, Ethereum is still going on this downtrend. It kind of broke my my little wedge pattern that I have here. So technically, right now, currently, this is the floor. So I'm gonna draw this little support area right there, and I'm gonna delete this right here. Now, like I said, this is the daily. Price can do this, or it can potentially, maybe we can go back up here to the 2100, 2200 area to retest, or it can break past the support level and continue on this downtrend here. We don't know. We have to wait and see. Like I said, we check on this weekly here. As you can see, same thing with Bitcoin. It's been going down these past several weeks, and now it's stuck between the 1700 and the 2200 area. We just have to wait and see what price does, right? All right, so same thing with ADA. If you go on the daily, I just have to update my update my levels here. As you can see here, if I delete this and move my support area down a little bit, we have this. Now the funny thing about Cardano went down as low as around 38 cents here back a few weeks ago, and then quickly spiked back up. If you look at the 4-hour, as you can see, price is still making that downtrend on the 4-hour. However, there's some major support around this area here, around 45 cents, and it keeps bouncing. Right, and it's as same thing with the other coins. We don't know where it's gonna go. It may continue consolidating. May retest back up to the 50-cent area, 52 cents, or just continue on this downtrend here. Like literally, guys, I'm drawing this chart so that way it'll give you an idea of what the market may do this upcoming week. This upcoming week is May 29th through June 4th. Man, it's crazy how almost a half a year is already here, gone by, you know, into 2022, going on to 2023. So let's check out AVAX on the daily. So like I said, I need to update this. Might not need this wedge anymore. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna keep that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a support level down here. This will be the support level. In fact, yeah, I will go ahead and delete this little wedge that I had. In fact, I'll just draw this box here. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, same thing with AVAX, Avalanche. Seemed like in the past several days, AVAX just decided to go down last week in this fashion, and now it's consolidating up here. Seems like it's trying to retest this $27, $28 range. Right now it's at $25.32. Yesterday on Saturday, it went up a pretty good deal. It went up from 22 all the way up to maybe as high as around $25. So if you did some trades on here, you could have traded on the 15-minute, of course. Like, let's see, yesterday around 8:45 in the morning, you could have just went for this little trade here, right? Could have got you a nice 2-to-1 ratio. Like you could have got in around $23 And your take profit level could have been around $25 with a stop loss of $22.22. Yeah, you would have won this trade. You would have won this trade in about, I'll say, let's see here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find that tool. I think this is it right here. Yeah, in about 5 hours you would have won this trade because it is, as you can see, price just continued to go up here yesterday. And like I said, this is just a quick scalp. This is nothing long term. But like I said, it's pretty risky trying to scalp these blue chips as of right now, because overall in the daily fashion, price is just consolidating. So pretty much this is an in and out situation. So, and then with BNB, pretty much the same thing as these other blue chip. In fact, if we go back as far as the 23rd, it's a little different with BNB. Price just was tried to test this resistance level around 320 area early this week, up until like 335, 337, and then price just is now dropping. But overall, it's still consolidating between 264 and 320 in this level here. So nothing impressive with this price going on with BNB as well. But like I said, you could have scalped the markets again this past week. I want to say, let's see. Yeah, you probably, maybe, I mean, to be honest, you probably could have day traded this, because you could have came here on, let me close this up. You could have came here on the 26th. You could have saw the sell signal here. All right. Put your stop loss over right here at around 330, and your take profit, you could have held it all the way down to 290, and you could have won this trade here, which would have took you about, let's see, which would have took you about a whole day. As you see, it says 23 hours. So yeah, but anyway guys, like I said, price, there's nothing impressive going on this past week with crypto. I'm just pretty much marking up the chart for you, just showing you what price can potentially do this week. Pretty much the same thing. Like I said, it most likely, I think is going to happen is going to continue to go sideways. Then it maybe eventually go down. But right now, it's safe to say that we're in a bear market right now. I don't see price breaking out of this support level anytime. Not support, but resistance level anytime soon. I still think that we're going to go sideways and then eventually go down some more. And if you want to talk about accumulation, guys, me personally, I would just only accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. That's just me. When it comes to blue chips, I would say maybe accumulate maybe 20% out your portfolio. Well, let's see. If you want to accumulate, I would say 80% Bitcoin. Well, let's see. I'm sorry, guys. 60% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, and 10% blue chips. If you want a decent accumulation strategy. And guys, me personally, I would dollar cost average as well. I would not take all my funds and accumulate all at once. Say for example, if you have $1,000, maybe you can invest 250 one week, 250 another week, 250 another week, 250 another week. Just dollar cost average that way, guys. Don't put the whole $1,000 into one coin because you could potentially get wrecked. So yeah, dollar cost average is the safest play in this bear market. With that said, guys, I got to get ready for work. So you guys have a wonderful day.